pressure vessel certifications around the world. Ensure your pressure vessels meet global safety standards. Here's a quick guide on key certifications you need for different regions. USA, ASME certification, what? Mandatory for exporting boilers and pressure vessels to North America. Standards, ASME American Society of Mechanical Engineers Codes. Scope, boilers and pressure vessels BPV, nuclear power plants and type, nuclear materials QSC. Resin and plastic containers or TP, process, design, material, manufacturing, and inspection must meet. As standards, timeline, varies based on complexity. Cost, depends on the project scope and certification body fees. EU, TPD and certification, TPED Transportable Pressure Equipment Directive. What? For transportable pressure equipment in the EU, scope, cylinders, tubes, pressure drums, cryogenic vessels, etc. Mark. PI Mark. Pressure Equipment Directive. What? For pressure equipment sold in the EU, Directive. Updated to 2014-68 EU. Scope. Equipment with design pressure greater than 0.5 bars, fire extinguishers, pressure gauges, valves, etc. Process. Compliance with EU standards for design, manufacturing, and inspection. Timeline. Typically 6 to 12 months. Cost. Varies based on equipment size and complexity. Russia, EACDP TC32 certification. What? Mandatory for pressure equipment in the Customs Union Russia, Kazakhstan, Belarus. Scope. Pressure vessels and pipelines. Process. Compliance with TRCA 30 to 2013 regulations. Timeline. Generally 4 to 6 months. Cost. Depends on the type and complexity of the equipment. Malaysia. DOSH certification. What? Mandatory for all pressure equipment used in Malaysia. Scope. Pressure vessels with design pressure X internal diameter greater than 3,000 psi-inch. Process. Design approval, material verification, welding inspection, NDT, final inspection, pressure testing. Timeline. 3 to 5 months. Cost. Based on project scope and certification body fees. Singapore, MOM certification. What? Mandatory for pressure vessels and lifting equipment. Scope. Air receivers, steam boilers, heat exchangers, refrigeration pressure vessels. Process. Design approval, material verification, welding inspection, NDT, final inspection, pressure testing. Timeline. Typically 3 to 5 months. Cost. Varies based on equipment type and certification complexity. Need assistance with certification? Our expert team at Rao Consulting can help you navigate these requirements seamlessly. Contact us today. Follow for more insights on certifications, quality management, and industry standards.